Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in for another video. And do you guys notice a little difference right now? Like, I noticed that the quality is a little bit better. That's because we're now shooting on the actual camera this time. No more iPhone, no more iPhone quality, just pure good 10 HD quality. As you guys know, I told you guys that I have some goals for 2020. Also, the 200 subscribers. Of course, to meet more of you guys, which kind of sucks because of the whole corona thing, so didn't really get to do that. But we get to cross out this one right here, good quality camera and laptop, because we now have that. So now I can say I can fully cross this one completely out. For anybody else that doesn't have like those goal stuff, I suggest that you guys write them down, do stuff like that, because it really helps. When you complete something, you get to just cross it out. It makes you feel that productivity that you've been doing, and you know, just makes you feel more productive and stuff like that. So if anybody wants to do something like that, I recommend it. Inside the garage again with the Del Sol, clearly, as you guys can see. Man, I am loving this camera quality. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm just loving it. Now, last video, we know that we put the hood on, which is good. So now that the hood is on, you don't gotta worry about that. And now there's just one more thing that I need to do, and then I can actually put the front bumper back on, because everything else is pretty much set. The hood latch is working, hood latch cable's working, so we don't gotta worry about that stuff anymore. So the only thing left are those fog lights that I've been having some trouble with in previous videos. So it's pretty obvious that where we last left off with the fog lights is I got these ones off a Parts Del Sol. I have the other original ones of these around the other side of the garage here. So we got these. I just want these right here. I just want these bolts right here. If it will focus, that would be great. Yeah, so we just need these. I don't know where we're exactly gonna find it, but I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna go to like Home Depot, Canadian Tire, Rona, try out those. Actually, I'm gonna try Rona first since it's closer. If not, then we'll go over to Home Depot and see if they got it. And yeah, pretty much get these ones put on. I don't want to put on these ones. I'm gonna put on those yellow ones that I got. Hopefully they have the part for that, which they should. They should. Hopefully. Look at me. I definitely need to shave after this video. After making this video, we gotta clean this up because this is just not it. Rona, our first stop of the day. I'm just gonna run inside, grab the stuff needed, and should head back and try and install those fog lights finally for once. So I'll get back to you guys once I'm back in the car. Finally, we got the stuff that should work. Hopefully. I kind of had to like customize my own pretty much because you know the OEM parts aren't there, so pretty much have to customize and make it my own. So hopefully this works, but let me show you guys exactly what I got. I got two of these, and I always like buy two other bolts just to make sure, just in case if something doesn't work with the first pair. So I got these ones, and I got these two here. These ones are a little bit longer than these, but I mean, that's why I got both, just to make sure. So we're gonna go ahead and just kick right at it and see if it works. If it doesn't, then whatever, I'll just return it back. Actually, I don't even know if I'll return it back. It's like 25 cents for these. It's not even worth giving back. But I'm gonna go ahead and try this now and see if it works. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. All right, so right here we have the fog lights. Finally. So let's try this out and try to get these stuff installed. I'm not gonna go and put like the head bulbs and stuff like that in because I don't need that on right now. I just want to get this thing onto the brackets, and then we'll go ahead and put them onto the car, and then we'll leave it as that. And maybe I'll actually be finally able to put on the front bumper because I don't need to do nothing else in the front. So we got one end right now. This bolt is way too long, as you guys can see. Look at this. So I might just use the small one and go and retry it again, but I'm just gonna test this out real quick, and if it doesn't, then I'll change it with that one. If not, then we'll keep it. I'm just gonna go test fit it on the bumper real quick. All right, y'all. Boom, 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 boom. I kind of have to like a makeshift, you know, something, make do with it, but I just did it like that. And I still gotta put one in there, but I don't know, I think it's sturdy enough, but I just want to try them on, so I'm just gonna try them on like this, and then we'll finally get to see. I got the front bumper right there too. Front bumper's chilling. So let's move on to installing it on the car now. Put the brackets onto the car, and then we'll see how it looks from there, and then we'll put the bumper on. Not like fully bolt it down, but just, you know, we'll just slap it on there just to see how it will look, and then yeah, that'll pretty much be the video for today. So I can't wait. I'm excited. Finally, I've gotten this thing done and over with. I was tired of just seeing it sit inside of a box and just sitting on the side of the garage, just not doing anything. So alright guys, so before all the Del Sol owners out there are flaming me for this, yes, I know this metal piece right here goes right on top of this. I know that. Trust me, I know. I just remembered that after I just put this on top. All I have to do is take out that, and yeah, it's off. But anyway, we got the fog light bolted on, so that looks good. Boom. Boom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off these two little screws for a little bit, and then I'll throw the front bumper on, and then we'll finally see exactly how it looks. Just a little quick tip for you guys, which you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys should know, or if you guys don't know, then well, now you can learn. Whenever you're taking off bolts and stuff like that, be sure to have like a little like bag with like the name of like whatever part it's from on the bag, so that when you go back in like a couple weeks or even like after like doing a certain like job on the car, you'll remember where each and everything goes. Trust me, it is a huge lifesaver. Check it out. Boom. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Don't mind the lighting, guys, it's dang hot out. It's like 40 degrees right now, so that looks so good. So glad I finally got into it. Now let's just throw the front bumper on and let's see how it'll look. Check it out. Boom. Finally, the fog lights are installed after so long. It's gonna look so sick. I love the yellow fog lights. I don't know, just like that JDM look, you know what I mean? Got the hood down, and oh, all right, let's take a step back. Check it out. Check it out. Finally. Oh my gosh, after so long, boys. The front bumpers, well, there's that, but you guys get it, right? It's just a little mock-up, but yeah, looks so good. Finally. Can you guys imagine it painted now? I'm telling you, once this thing is painted, it is going to be absolutely insane. So turned up for this right now. Finally, it's coming together. I told you guys, the Del Sol is coming together. Like, look at that. Slowly, but surely. Take your time with things, guys. I'm telling you, by the end of it, you'll be glad that you took the time. But yeah, front bumper on. Looks good. Probably gonna take a few pictures of it, and then off camera, of course. Gonna take a few pictures of it off camera, post on the gram or something, or just for later on. And yeah, guys, I don't know, but I'm so excited. If you guys are pumped for the Del Sol, drop a like and drop a comment. I want to see what you guys think of it, so please drop something down below in the comment section so that I know you guys are just as stoked as I am for how this thing will turn out by the end of its build process. On that note, guys, I'm pretty much going to wrap up the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Remember, drop a comment down below, leave a like if you guys are liking the build process so far, if you guys are like what's going on. And please do not forget to subscribe. I want to hit a goal of 200 subscribers by the end of this year, and I know that I can do it, and I believe that you guys can help me out and to get there. Anyway, guys, I'm Dose of J, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay humble, stay blessed. Peace.